So this is our further discussion on the introduction of implementation for Chapter 5, and we further that discussion by looking at the benefits to quality, and that should show you some significance as to why this topic is so important. That we've covered the ground almost twice here now to make sure that it's clear to everyone. So this is video 13 in the series. We'll introduce the topic as we have before, give you some direction on where to find the video lecture, and then some key points to summarize upon. So the benefits to quality implementation really stem from um, understanding these key elements, and there's several of them here. There's consistency of deliverables, there's completeness of those same deliverables, there's a conformity to specific standards, there's less waste of time and money over the long term, there's clarity in delivering the work in the right parameters, there's really less rework and fewer unusable deliveries, there's a higher productivity resulting in lower cost, and then there's a higher stakeholder satisfaction really by delivering what's agreed upon. And so quality does have its benefits. And although it may initially take a little longer and cost more, and that's not always the case, the proponents for quality believe it will produce greater tangible and then intangible returns on the investment. So that's important to note in regard to our discussion around quality. And of course, this whole notion around quality, as we alluded to in the previous video, really is going to be consistent, and yet it's going to be different as we look at the various different courses here between diversity management, marketing, and business. So a little bit of direction for the Management 362 folks, the Management 372 class, the Business 300 class, the Business 330 class, and the Marketing 300 class. No matter which one of these classes you're in, go to the youtube.com/motivate the world, subscribe to the channel, and then look for the playlist that is been set aside for each of these particular classes, and specifically each one of these chapters, and this one where we talk about quality implementation and the benefits to that said quality. So a couple of key points I think of mention here. One, each class has a unique set of videos. The structure is set up so that you can play these 24/7 and pull them down whenever it's applicable for you. They are video lectures. There's a Digimark app if you have the textbook. That app is at no cost. It allows you to look at the videos through your textbook and links the learning process for you through your smart device. And then as additional resources, you have motivatetheworld.com that allows you to be able to pull your assignments, forums, quizzes, and help you utilize the resources to navigate through the class successfully. And of course, I've alluded to the youtube.com channel that we have. If you need to contact me, there's my contact information, including email and phone number, but feel free to do so.